Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have exponential equation and we are needed to solve for x. They have given to us 4 power square root of x is equal to square root of 16 power x. First, we are going to change the base of 4 and 16 to base 2. 4 is equal to 2 power 2 multiplied by square root of x. This is equal to square root 16 is the same as 2 power 4 multiplied by x is going to be 4x. It's going to be 4x. 2 multiplied by square root of x is going to be 2 square root of x. This is equal to 2 power 4x, the square root, the same as power half. 2 power 2 square root of x. This is equal to 2 power x multiplied by 4 power half. I can simplify here by 2, 1 by 2. I get 2 power 2 square root of x. This is equal to 2 multiplied by x. We're going to get 2x is equal to 2 power 2x. If we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the bases are equal, exponents are equal. Now b is equal to c. I'll use it here. The base is 2, so I will equate the power. 2 power square root of x. This is equal to 2x. I'm going to square both sides to remove this radical symbol. Two square is 2 will cancel with this radical. That is going to be x. This is equal to 4x square. 4x equal to 4x square. Bring 4x square to the left hand side. 4x minus 4x square. This is equal to 0. We can factor out 4x. Here we are going to remain with 1 minus x. This is equal to 0. The equation is in the form of a multiplied by b equal to 0. Now 4x is equal to 0 and 1 minus x is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 0. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. We're going to get x is equal to 0. Also, 1 minus x equal to 0. Minus x is equal to minus 1. Divide by minus 1 both sides. We're going to get x is equal to 1. Our value of x are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. For more video on exponential equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.